In the early days of the programming jungle, things were chaotic. Monkeys were forced to use complicated tools like C, C++, and Java just to do simple tasks. Imagine writing 50 lines of Vine code just to peel a banana. It was painful, it was slow, it was a jungle of frustration. But one day, a wise monkey in the human jungle named Guido van Rossum was tired of this mess. He worked at a research lab in the Netherlands and wanted to enjoy his holidays. But guess what he did over Christmas in 1918? Yep, instead of chilling, he opened his coconut laptop and said, "Let me try to make a programming language that is simple, clean, and actually fun." So Guido built a new language with two goals: readable like English, powerful like a jungle panther. He called it Python, not after the snake, but after his favorite comedy group, Monty Python's Flying Circus. He wanted coding in Python to be fun just like this show. Python passed the banana test. If a monkey can read and understand the code, it's good. Instead of writing a jungle-sized ritual for printing, Python let you say, "Print hello jungle." That's it. Simple, clean, beautiful. Over the years, monkeys from every tribe, scientists, web developers, AI builders, automation masters, all began using Python. Why? Because it was easy to learn, it had powerful libraries, and it worked for everything, from data bananas to robot bananas. Now Python is one of the most popular languages in the entire jungle and human world too. It powers YouTube, Instagram, Google AI tools, even monkey space missions, all thanks to one human who wanted to make coding fun and simple. Sometimes the best ideas don't come from a boardroom full of suits. They come from a curious mind, a quiet holiday, and a dream to make coding less bananas.